Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by getting the exact eyelet and then marking the fabric or leather precisely. This matters because an off-center hole ruins the fit. Once marked, place a scrap board under the material to protect your work. Use a punch sized to the eyelet inner diameter and tap gently until the hole is clean. You want a smooth edge so the eyelet seats properly. Make sure to keep the material flat and steady. This prevents stretching and keeps the hole round. You now insert the eyelet from the face side so the flange is visible. That flange is what keeps fabric from pulling through. Once the shank is through, rest the anvil under the work and position the setter on the exposed shank. Tap firmly but controlled. Short, measured strikes compress the shank evenly into a mushroom shape. After a few hits, pause and inspect. If it leans, realign and continue. This ensures a tight, durable clinch without cracking. You finish by checking that the flange is flush and the shank is mushroomed evenly. That creates the mechanical lock. If you see a small gap or wobble, reseat gently with a slightly larger setter or fit a thin washer behind the flange because that restores pressure without tearing. If metal is cracked or badly deformed, remove and replace the eyelet. Do not overhammer to compensate, since that weakens the area. One quick troubleshooting tip: if movement persists, swap to the next eyelet size for a snug fit.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.